President jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala ulapen pa bakni ka sarkar hapo ka jingilam jong NPP halor ka jingya kawang mau hapdeng ki nongkyrshan jong ka party Indian National Congress bat ki nongkyrshan ka National People Party kabala jah ka shnang Garo Dobi West Garo Hills District ki pulit yamenta ki nang kem tangi ki nongkyrshan jong ka Congress halor ka ni uba pala ulong ka jingsha kem tang ka jong ki nongkyrshan jong ka Congress Unsa Yekren badu Deputy Commissioner Kumjuru SP Jongko West Garo Hills badu ban pyntip show CEO uba Frederick Karkongor bade ban kemlang yekiweru.
After the meeting was over, I think some of the rival candidates they threw stone on our party when they coming back. So many of them got injured. So naturally when the crowd is there, so our people will start retaliating. So the problems now is that what the present government is doing is they only arrest the Congress workers. They did not arrest those people who started the pelting of stones on our people. So we already lodged an FIR from our side, and they also I think they have lodged a counter FIR from their side. So I'll be after this press briefing I'll be talking to the Deputy Commissioner as well as to the SP, and I was trying to reach to Karkongor also, so that I can tell him whatever action should be taken for both sides, not only on one side. So because they'll try to scare our people so that they'll not do it. So this was planned, and might be the government knows that, especially NPP knows that the Congress is strong. So they are trying to find ways and means how to stop the people, how to threaten the people. So we are going to counter that.